Hello, today we will guide you through how to get started with Adobe Express and create designs. Start by opening Adobe Express, either in your web browser or the mobile app. When the dashboard loads, you'll see options to begin creating right away. This is your home base for projects, assets, and quick actions. So take a moment to get familiar with the layout before jumping in. To create something new, click the plus icon at the top left of the screen. This opens your starting options and is the quickest way to launch a fresh design. Think of it as your blank canvas button. Every new flyer, post, or banner begins here. Next, select a sample orientation size. You'll find common presets like square for social posts, portrait for stories or posters, and landscape for banners and slides. Choose the size that best matches where your design will live. Don't worry if you're not sure yet. You can adjust dimensions later, but picking a close fit now streamlines your layout choices. Once your canvas is open, click on text to add words to your design. Start with a headline, then add subheadings or body copy as needed. You can change fonts, size, color, spacing, and alignment to match your style. Keep readability in mind by balancing contrast and avoiding overly tight line spacing. To bring in your own visuals, click Upload. This lets you add photos, videos, or graphics from your device. High-quality, well-lit images make a big difference, so aim for clear files. After uploading, you can resize, crop, or layer them with text and shapes. If you've been building a personal library, click your stuff to access items you've already saved. This is a time saver for recurring assets like logos, background textures, or frequently used photos. Keeping your go-to elements here makes consistent design faster and easier. For brand consistency, click Brands to apply your brand kit. With your colors, fonts, and logos ready, you can style a design in seconds and maintain a unified look across everything you create. If you haven't set up a kit yet, note how convenient this panel will be for future projects. To work even faster, click Templates and browse ready-made layouts. Pick one that fits your purpose, then swap in your text, images, and colors. Templates help you start strong with balanced spacing and typography. For a coordinated style boost, click Themes. A theme updates typography and color pairings across your entire design in one move, keeping your look consistent from headline to captions. And whenever you need something specific, click. Search at the top left. Use keywords to find templates, photos, icons, and shapes, then filter results to narrow in on the perfect fit. With these tools, you're ready to create confidently in Adobe Express.